This is what we doing. Your joint don't work. It don't get up because you on pills and you drinking and you just unhealthy. Your joint ain't work. Take some sea moss. Okay? Your high blood pressure, you skyrocketing, you not feeling good, your eyes bulging out your head, you dizzy and all that. Take some sea moss. Okay? Take some sea moss. Diabetes is crazy. They might amputate your foot. You playing games. Everybody around you scared. They worry about you. You on all types of meds. You going back and forth to the doctor. You not healthy. Take some sea moss. It's that simple. It's not complicated. Take some sea moss. Your energy's low. You're not sleeping right. Your skin ain't good. You got acne. You got pimples. You got all that stuff. You constipated. You want to lose some weight. Take some sea moss. Those multivitamins is not doing what they're supposed to be doing for you. You know you don't feel no difference. How long you been taking those multivitamins? They ain't doing nothing for you. Take some sea moss. You need zinc, iodine, magnesium, phosphorus, all that stuff. You need your thyroid support. You need your energy booster. You need all of that. Iron, man, take your sea moss. Stop playing. You got ailments, you got back pain, joint pain, your knees hurt, you don't want to do nothing, you're not motivated. Take some sea moss. Oh, I don't like the taste. It's not nasty. Stop it and take some sea moss. Oh, I don't want fake sea moss. I don't know where to get real sea moss from. I don't want no pool grown. This is official Crondis Crispus. Okay? Stop making excuses and take some sea moss. All the excuses you got, I got the answer for them. I got all that. Whatever ailments you got, I got the answer for it. Take some sea moss. Well, I don't know where to get it. In the TikTok shop. What else? What other excuses you got? Oh, I don't know how to make it. It's not complicated. No, it's not. It's simple. The video on how to make it is pinned at the top of my page. It's very simple. It's not complicated. You will not screw it up. There is nothing to be afraid of. The only thing that can happen to you is you will get healthier, you will feel better, and your life will improve. And you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna come back and thank me. Take some damn sea moss.